This is a 6.2 liter Yukon Denali. We installed the Whipple 2.9 liter supercharger and a Corsa exhaust system. Now Katech is known for doing Corvettes and Camaros, but don't forget we also do trucks, all LS and LT powered vehicles. So the Corsa exhaust is pretty docile when you're cruising, but when you get into it, this thing is an absolute beast. People always ask me what's the best modification to do to a truck, and I like to do a supercharger because it really offers that low-end instant-on torque and makes it great for towing, but yet keeps the drivability. It's fun to cruise around, except the power is there on demand when you need it. For trucks, I like the positive displacement superchargers such as Whipple or Magnuson. We've got both packages on our website. Car sounds fairly stock at a light. Pretty beefy once you get into it. So we tested two different supercharger pulleys on this car. When we put the smaller supercharger pulley on, we ran into the limit of the fuel system. We ended up going back to the larger upper supercharger pulley instead of getting into extensive fuel system modifications. Now we're going to show you the dyno graph comparing the baseline to the finished product. So this is a tight on-ramp. We're going to need to merge here pretty quickly. Exception of the supercharger and exhaust, this is an otherwise stock